about get these bitches. I ain't even care about your wishes. You know I'm a different girl. I come from a different world. It ain't even worth it. What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you ain't, welcome back. And today I'm going to show you how to do this. You already know what I'm about to sing.
What's your name, BOB? So they calling you.
But to show you how to do this sleek bust down middle part bob, okay? Bust down middle part jet black bob. And this is the same bob I bought years ago, and that was my first wig video that went viral, or however you want to say it. It got a lot of views, and I did terrible on that wig. I was like, I need to do it some justice. So if you want to watch that one, it's bad, but if you want to watch it, it's linked down below. This hair is from Princess Hair off AliExpress, so it is an AliExpress wig. I did bleach the knots and pluck it, but it's not in this video. The bleaching portion will be in another video coming up, or it might already be out. Just check on the channel. If you want to see how I got this sleek bust down middle part, keep on watching. What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Before we even start, my voice, I'm a little stopped up, but I just came in to tell y'all about this wig, and it was a nice wig. The only con about this wig is that the knots were so thick, and as I was plucking, like, they were so hard to pull out that there's holes in the lace. So other than that, we still finessed it. But yeah, I'm not gonna do a whole voiceover today. If you want that, it's in my other video, linked down below. Just know the wig is linked down below, as well as the products. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.
Now listen, I've been single for a while now, and I've been kinda lonely. But I'm looking for somebody to talk to, love me, someone who can hold me. Is that you? I'm looking for somebody I can call, boo. Looking for the only one that I can give my all to. Tell me if it's you, what you wanna do, make a move. You can be my teacher, I'll do homework. You can give me extra credit, baby, I'll do more work. What you wanna do, now it's me and you, the mood is so right, so right. You can be my prince, but tonight I think I lost the plot instead. I said that I'd be cleared up like me. To the walls I know they listen to me. Your teachers always called it a shame. They say I don't have passion to say. As I did it baby outside looking in on the night out in the slum. New curvy very fat, and then I ate in the hole. I can come from my friends, finally, baby. It was not her fault. This guy not bad.
Please leave a message.
First of all, get these bitches. I ain't even care about your wishes. You know I'm a different girl. I come from a different world.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for my next video. And comment down below what you think I should do next. And yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video. And I'll see you guys next time.
Got a plan, trying to get out of sick like every man. Yeah.